In this video, you will get to know how to use lot lakar rupani in sentences. Lot lakar is generally used to make sentences where you order or request something. Grihe sambhashanam janakah putradvayam putridvayam janani. So this conversation is happening at a home where there are these many people. Janakaha, father, putradvayam, two sons, putridvayam, two daughters, and janani, that is mother. So Janakaha, father says, Bho sarve yuyam, listen. So the word given in bracket is listen, which is used as shrunuta here. Shrunuta is madhyama purusha bahuvajanam. Here UM is given as subject. So according to UM, which is Madhyam Purusha Bahuvajanam, in the table Shrunu, Shrudadu, it will become Shrunu, Shrunutam, Shrunuta in Madhyam Purusha Bahuvajanam. So Shrunuta should be used instead of the English word listen in the sentence. Shvaha pitamahaha pitamahi cha asmakam griham agachataha. Then father is telling Sanjeeva, Tvam adhiti prakoshtam shuddham do. So adhiti prakoshtam shuddham do is given, and here the subject is Tvam. Tvam is Madhyam Purusha Ekavajanam, so do, that is Kru Dhatu, will become Kuru. Rajiva Shile Yuvam Javanikam dash. You have to use bring. Bring is a plus ni dhatu. And the subject here is yuvam. So bring should be used as anaya, anitam, anita. So anitam. Anitam is not correct. Anayatam. Anayatam. So yuvam janakina javanikam anayatam. Because ni dhatu will not be used as it is in the blank. It will be nayati in lat and it is bring. So anaya, anayatu, anayatam, anayantu, anaya, anayatam will come. Gauri aham kim do. Again do. Kru dhatu you have to use. So aham. Aham is the subject. For aham it will be karavani. Karavani will come in this blank. Apanam gatva shakani, again bring. A plus ni, and she is asking, Gauri is asking. So aham is the subject again. So here for bring anayani. Anayani, she is asking. Apanam gatva shakani anayani. Adhava tvamabhi agachasi kim avam militva go. Go is gamudadu. Gamudadu, and here the subject is avam, which is uttama purusha dvivajanam. So agachani, agachava will come. Then Rajiv says, Hey Janaka, karyanena vayam sarve go. Again gamudadu, subject is vayam. So gachama will come. Gachani, gachava, gachama, uttama purusha bahuvajanam. Aham pitamahasya krute grandhalayat kada pustakani bring. A plus ni again, and subject is aham. So the verb will be anayani. The answer for these blanks, that is the answer for do, bring, do again, bring, go again and bring will be given in the video description down below the video. You can check that to get the answers.